What's up? What's going on, everybody? Here for another dip video on the Dip Commander. Dip Commander YouTube page. Some badass shit, I'm fucking telling you. You know. Today, we got a new gun, and I'm gonna be showing you this little knife I got. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. My buddy gave this to me. It's a little Winchester, little knife made by Winchester. It's a pretty good little knife, too. Got the Winchester symbol on it up there. It's small, but it works pretty good. Yeah, the clip you fold, shuts it. It's a nice little knife. This is a dip channel, so in that case, we better put in a dip and spit and stuff like that. You know. Dip in Copenhagen Southern Blend again, of course, in memory of Austin Sanderson. He's missed very much. Anyways, fuck my sad story. Copenhagen Southern Blend. Pack that shit up. Yep. Southern Blend, it's long cut, but it feels more like, just regular Copenhagen long cut. It's not like, like you're taking a dip of skull. I mean, it feels like Copenhagen long cut. The paints kind of fall apart. And this shit, I've had it for like, this is the second day I've had it, and it's still fucking just as moist as it was yesterday. I mean, it is motherfucking moist. Alright? Yeah. I hate putting the dip in because it's so sour. Uh, it don't matter what dip it is. I hate putting the dip in and I hate taking the dip out. I don't know why. It just sucks for me. Ah, yummy. Let's get to this gun. You know it, buddy. That is the Eastern Arms single shot 12 gauge shotgun. And it is a bad son of a bitch. I've killed so many fucking birds with this thing. I think I killed a goose with it one time without the pond. Yeah, I think it was like the first ever goose I shot with that gun. And I killed doves. I go dove hunting with it all the time. It's a really good gun. It's got duct tape on it to hold the handle on. I just wrapped it in the stock and duct tape, electrical tape, just to make it make it easier for me to grip. You know, and that's about it with that. The 12 gauge, Gibbon Copenhagen Southern Blend. Remember, memory of Austin Sanderson. Got the Winchester knife, guns, dip, knobs, bows, bow and arrows, shit like that. It's fucking awesome. That's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Keep dipping, YouTube.